Hello guys, in this video, I will answer a popular question that is, can you export or print notes from NotebookLM? So, I'm going to be straightforward to the point that currently NotebookLM does not offer a direct export or print function for notes. However, you can use some workarounds to export your notes. Simply navigate to your notes, select all the notes you wish to export and use the combine to one note feature, and this consolidates your selected notes into a single document. So in order to do this, simply create your note after generating different kind of notes. As you can see, I have these notes available just right here. So I will simply click on the three-dotted icon at the top right and choose Convert All Notes to Source. Now, when I click on Convert All Notes to Source, you will see some process appearing at the left of the screen. Now, as you can see, this just converted this notes into a source. So I will click on the All Notes icon and it will show up this source guide and the whole notes converted into one document. Now what you can do is simply start from the top, left click and select the whole document. Now simply click on the copy button appearing or just right click here. Now leave your left click that you hold it and you will see the copy button appearing just right here. Now this whole document has been copied to my clipboard. I can simply navigate to Google Docs, start a blank document and press Ctrl+V and the whole book will be copied just right here. As you can see, I have successfully copied my notes. Now I can simply click on File, click on Download and choose any kind of format such as DocX, RTF, PDF, TXT or anyone. So I will choose DocX and I will convert it into a document. As you can see, this is currently downloading. Now, after the download gets finished, click on Open File and your notes will open up in a Word document. So I've successfully saved this. As you can see, it's pretty easy, but you'll have to make sure that you use Edge browser to do this because when you right click here, the copying button will disappear. But if you're using Edge and copying this, you will see the copy button just right here. So the simple answer to your question was that you cannot export or print notes from NotebookLM directly, but you can use the workaround I showed you in order to do this. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.